Hi guys. Well, I'm gone on Tuesday and Wednesday. I have a couple of things that I would like you to do. I would like you to explore this website, which you have a link to. It's got lots of different games for both multiplication and division. So if you know your group was starting to work on division, I'd like you to try and find some division games. Um, There's lots of them here. There's this penguin jump multiplication, treasure quest. You can see that like this one is division. There's a monster division. There's lots of multiplication ones. Anything that has this premium part here, you're not going to be able to get into. Only the ones that don't have that. Demolition division. I haven't played all of these games. I've played a lot of them, but not all of them. So what I'd like you to do is go in and give some of these games a try for the time you would be meeting with me. And then I would like you to email me and let me know what games you played and what were your favorites. Okay, the other website that I want you to go to, let me pull it up, is this timestable.com that we've been to before. And that's the one, well, maybe. Sorry, guys, it's not pulling up like I want it to. Give me 1 second. There we go, this one. And this one, you can pick what you want to work on. So if you know that you want to work on those harder facts or those 8s, if you'd rather do this, go through and practice your 8s. Type in your 8s, drag your answers over. This one will, let's see, this one down here I think will time you. And then they've got games with just the 8s facts. So if you know that there's some facts that you're struggling on that you really want to practice, this might be the better site. It's the Times Table website. You might like this one better than the other one because then you know you can really be practicing these. Okay, so I'm going to give you that choice to do one of these websites both on Tuesday and Wednesday when I am not in group. And if you notice over here, this says a speed test. If that's something fun that might interest you to see how fast you can get on your facts, then try 8s and click on start and it'll time you. See if you can get it done before that bar goes away. Okay. And remember, if it says 8, I'm not going to think of that as 8 times 4. I'm going to think of that as 4 times 8. I can do that quickly. Ooh, that one's a hard one. Oops. Okay. So that's an option as well. I'd like you to email me and let me know what you do each day to practice your facts, please.